For decades, scientists have debated a simple question. What did our earliest ancestors really look like? Were they tree dwellers swinging like chimpanzees? Or upright walkers striding into the dawn of humanity? Now, a 4.4 million-year-old ankle bone has given us an answer, and it's rewriting what we thought we knew about human evolution. Her name is Ardipithecus ramidus, or Ardi for short, a small ancient primate who lived in what is now Ethiopia. She wasn't quite human, and she wasn't quite an ape, but she might be the key to understanding where we came from. When Ardi's fossils were first discovered in 1994, scientists were stunned. She lived more than 1 million years before Lucy, the famous Australopithecus. Her body suggested she was built for climbing, but her pelvis hinted she could walk upright. For 30 years, that contradiction left one of evolution's biggest mysteries unsolved. Now, scientists have taken a closer look at one critical piece: Ardi's ankle bone, or talus. By comparing it to the ankles of dozens of other primates spanning 40 million years of evolution, they uncovered something extraordinary. The angle of Ardi's ankle falls right in line with modern African apes. That means she could climb vertically like a chimp, but she also walked on all fours with her feet flat on the ground just like them. But here's where it gets fascinating. Ardi's foot bones show something very different: an enhanced push-off mechanism used in bipedal walking. In other words, she could probably walk upright. Ardi's body was a mosaic, part ape, part human. She grasped with her feet like a chimp, but moved with balance and rhythm that hinted at the future of humankind. Until recently, scientists thought African apes like chimpanzees and gorillas were evolutionary dead ends, side branches, not stages of our evolution. But this new study flips that idea completely. According to study author Thomas Cody Prang, this new analysis proves our ancestors were more chimp-like than we ever imagined. Humans didn't evolve from chimps, but both species evolved from something that looked very much like them. This ancient ankle doesn't just tell us how Ardi moved, it reshapes the entire story of human evolution. Our earliest ancestors weren't purely ground dwellers or tree dwellers, they were both, flexible, adaptable, and evolving in two worlds at once. From that balance of climbing and walking came the first steps that would eventually lead to us. A 4.4 million-year-old ankle bone, small enough to fit in your hand, just reminded us that evolution is full of surprises. Every fossil, every bone, brings us closer to understanding who we really are. Subscribe to LG News, and join us as we uncover more secrets hidden deep in our planet's past.